Hello guys, good afternoon. For today's vlog is I will gonna show you what's inside my bag. So this is my son, it's Ren's Kyle. So for today's video is I will show you what's inside my bag, and let's get started. So for this first zipper, inside of this is eyebrow pencil, some Urja Cosmetics eyebrows on point, this Pink Plum Beauty Secret lip tint in the orange shade, and Urja Cosmetics lip tint in the shade of ESB004LC, or the maroon one, and sharpener, soap, cotton buds for him, some cologne. Yes, it's his cologne. The mascara, nail cutter, and vapor rub from Urja Cosmetics. So this is a example. This is a sample only. So I don't get the big one because I already have the sample. So let's move on to this zipper. So the big one. So it has a lock on its zipper. So toys for him, some wet tissue, and this white dove powder for him. It's baby powder. And then I have this eye mask. It's always in my bag as usual. Some tissue, my wallet. So what's inside my wallet? Next video na. What's inside my wallet and pouches. I will not gonna show you the inside of these two. It's because I will show you that one in my next vlog. I have this like a foundation, mask, and something important to me. The next is mask. I have plenty of masks because wherever I go I always change my mask. And then some mirror with lipstick on it. Oh my god, my baby's doing something really making me mad. Okay, and then last but not the least, this hairpins, because I have a lot of baby hair and sometimes I want to cover this one with hairpins. So that's all for today's vlog, and see you guys for the next vlog. We will be checking this one. So this is my pouches and my wallet. So goodbye guys, see you in my next vlog.